everyone, this is Aimee from Yihong Abrasives. Before our machine export to our customer, we go to our factory to check the machine operation. Now let me introduce this machine to you. For this machine, the working width is 480 millimeter here. Working height width is 30 millimeter. This machine equipped with heating system. This machine temperature range is from 20 to 60 degrees. You can see this is the temperature screen. This is for outside temperature. And this is the control for downside temperature. And for this screen, it shows for pressing type. This machine max pressure is 15 tons. Then let our engineer show us how to operate this machine.